For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a fertilizer business can be a highly profitable venture due to the constant demand for agricultural productivity worldwide. With the rise of free AI tools, even individuals with limited resources can now access advanced planning, research, branding, and marketing capabilities. This guide outlines a step-by-step process to launch your fertilizer business using only free AI tools. Each step includes recommended AI tools and specific prompt text to help you make the most of their features. Step 1. Research the fertilizer market and identify your niche. Before entering the fertilizer industry, you need to understand the market landscape, customer demand, and your potential competitors. Use ChatGPT to research industry trends and customer preferences. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the current trends, major competitors, and profitable niches in the fertilizer industry in your country or region? Additionally, use Google Trends, https://trends.google.com, to analyze search demand for different types of fertilizers such as organic, urea-based, NPK blends, or biofertilizers. This will help you decide which segment to target. For deeper insights, try using Perplexity.ai, which combines search engine results and summaries to answer research questions. Prompt for Perplexity.ai. Compare the market demand and profitability of organic versus chemical fertilizers in region. Step 2. Develop a comprehensive business plan using AI. Once you've selected your niche, create a structured business plan to guide your venture. ChatGPT is an ideal free tool for this task. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a detailed business plan for a startup fertilizer business focused on organic/chemical/liquid/biofertilizer, including market analysis, product offerings, operations, target customers, pricing strategy, and financial projections. You can also use Notion AI or Google Docs with voice typing and ChatGPT-generated content to assemble and refine the business plan. Notion AI allows for organizing and editing large documents easily with formatting and summarization features. Step 3. Formulate or source your fertilizer product. Determine whether you will manufacture your own fertilizer or resell an existing product. If you want to create your own formula, use ChatGPT to assist with basic scientific formulation research. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are common ingredients and ratios used in formulating organic/NPK/liquid fertilizer for vegetables and crops? What are the safety guidelines? For sourcing options, ask ChatGPT to list potential raw material suppliers or local fertilizer manufacturers that offer private labeling services. You can use a prompt like, find wholesale fertilizer manufacturers or white label suppliers for a new fertilizer brand in your country or region. Step 4. Create a unique brand name and logo with AI tools. A strong brand is crucial to stand out in the market. Use Namelix, https://namelix.com, to generate creative business names using AI. Prompt for Namelix. Enter keywords like eco, grow, fertile, or bio to get brand name ideas based on your niche. Once you choose a name, use Canva's free AI-powered logo maker, https://www.canva.com/logo-maker, to generate a professional-looking logo. Canva also includes AI design assistance for creating marketing materials later. Step 5. Register your business and fulfill legal requirements. Every fertilizer business must comply with local regulations. Use ChatGPT to help you understand your country or state's requirements. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are the legal steps to register a fertilizer business and obtain necessary permits or licenses in your location? Create a checklist from the output and use free task management apps like Trello or Google Tasks to track your progress. Step 6. Build a website and online presence using AI. Having a digital presence boosts credibility. You can use Wix's free AI website builder, https://www.wix.com, to quickly create a basic website with product descriptions, contact forms, and company background. Wix's AI will ask a few questions about your business and generate a customized website layout for you. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write homepage content for a fertilizer business selling eco-friendly organic fertilizers to small-scale farmers. To create social media content, use Canva's AI templates and ChatGPT to write captions. For example, prompt for ChatGPT. Write 10 Instagram post captions promoting organic fertilizers and their benefits to home gardeners. Step 7. Develop a marketing strategy with AI assistance. Marketing is vital for sales. Ask ChatGPT to generate a complete marketing plan tailored to your goals and budget. Prompt for ChatGPT. Create a low-budget marketing plan for a startup fertilizer company targeting small farmers and gardening enthusiasts. Use MailChimp's free tier, https://mailchimp.com, to build email lists and run campaigns. Canva and ChatGPT together can help you create posters, social media ads, and product brochures. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write the copy for a flyer promoting a new fertilizer product launch, including benefits, contact info, and a special discount. Step 8. Set up sales channels and distribution. Choose how you'll sell: online, through retail stores, farmer cooperatives, or agricultural expos. Use ChatGPT to analyze the pros and cons. Prompt for ChatGPT. Compare online sales, distributor networks, and local farm store partnerships for a small fertilizer company. Which is best for a startup? Create a spreadsheet with Google Sheets or Airtable to track sales contacts, leads, and conversions. You can also automate customer communication using free AI chatbots from Tidio. https://www.tidio.com. Step 9. Use AI to manage and optimize operations. AI tools can also support your operations. Use Google Sheets and ChatGPT for inventory management. Prompt for ChatGPT. Help me create a simple inventory tracking spreadsheet for a fertilizer business, including product name, batch number, quantity, cost, and expiration date. For bookkeeping, Wave Accounting, https://www.waveapps.com, offers free accounting software to record expenses, sales, and generate invoices. Combine this with ChatGPT-generated email templates for follow-ups and billing. Prompt for ChatGPT. Write a polite payment reminder email for a small fertilizer supplier. Step 10. Monitor feedback and improve using AI insights. Gather customer feedback using free survey tools like Google Forms. Input survey responses into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the feedback. Prompt for ChatGPT. Analyze the following customer feedback and summarize the top 3 areas of improvement for my fertilizer business. Paste responses. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm product improvements and new product ideas. Prompt for ChatGPT. What are some new fertilizer product variations or packaging options that would appeal to urban gardeners? That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.